Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a stay-at-home grandma, and this is my last review for the night, I think. This is the Audible lunchbox, and it is lunch bag, actually. It's actually a nice black bag, and it says living, traveling, share, love makes everything possible. And it has a zipper in the front, and then it has the insulated inside. Then it has a zipper in the back. Actually, a good lunchbox. Or lunch bag, I should say. It has a little compartment on this side. Let's see. There's a compartment on this side. And it has another compartment on the other side. So it holds quite a bit of, you know, like if you're going away for the day, or you're going to travel for your lunch at work, and if you're like me, and then you're working and you went to another place to, you know, whatever, to do more business, you can take this with you all day. And because it's insulated on the inside, it will keep pretty much everything. Pretty cool. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Oh, give it a thumbs up. God bless. Bye-bye.